step-by-step drawing with him. Today we're going to be drawing Piggy with the bird on his head. So I have the book here. As you see, Gerald is doing it, but I wanted to draw Piggy with a bird on his head, so he's my favorite. So I looked through the book, and soon enough, we see Piggy with some birds on his head. So it isn't a lie, it's true that Piggy does have some birds on his head. So today we're going to be drawing Piggy with a bird on his head. So let's get started. So to draw Piggy, we're going to start with Piggy. You're going to do his head. And then we're going to do his little ears. And then his nose. Okay, and then you're gonna do his eyes. This is my favorite part of drawing Piggy. Little cute eyes. I'm gonna make his eyes a little more fat. Just a little bit more fat, and then I'm gonna color them in. And then you're gonna do, I'm just gonna do a little skinny smile right there. Okay, and then you're gonna do his body, which is a little oval, just like that. Then you're gonna do his hands, which are really fun to draw too. And then you're gonna do his other one. And then his feet. They're the exact same thing except for feet. They look like little jeans. I like that. Okay, now let's just scan it and see if anything we're missing. I'm gonna do little, just teeny eyebrows right there. Yeah. Okay, now for the bird. You're gonna do his legs about as high as his ears. And then you're gonna do his legs, as I was saying, up at the height of his ears. And then you're gonna do, I'm gonna do just like, I'm gonna start with that line and then I'm gonna go up. Then a little circle head, a beak, just a little eye right there. Now I'm gonna draw just a little thing so it like looks like it's hooking on. That's a bird. I'm gonna do just a little line right there, I guess, to make it just look like a beak. Then that's the whole thing. I think we might do a little sun right here, maybe. Goes short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall. Okay, now that's the sun. And don't forget your nickname. Thank you guys for watching. This is what my Piggy looks like. It's pink, like the normal Piggy. It's a little bright and I like it that way. And then I have my bird that's yellow, and I did a little scribble of red on my sun, if you can see it. And then I did some just yellow. And if you guys want to see a little sneak peek of the book, you guys can be able to color your bird here. You could take a picture or something and keep it in mind and color it whenever you color it. Or you can just make up your own. I'm really encouraging you guys to make up your own. So stay safe in the quarantine. Have a good rest of your day, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!